Hi, I, I am Captain Justin, and these are my sidekicks. Man, man, we love doing it, you know. Okay, so we got some news, and so this news is about these new rules in our school now. So, so all the new rules that all of our teachers in EAS are taking these rules too far, because okay, so for example, well, like you can't hang out with teachers in EAs. You have to let them do their work. Yeah, right. No. You teachers in EAs can't do that stuff, because because all of us, we're not talking. Okay, we're not talking about our teachers in EAs. We're talking about all of us as true heroes. All of us are the protector of. All of us are the all of us are the protectors of our of our state, and that state is Minnesota. And all of us are, so all of us are the laws who makes the laws, and we changed that. So now we changed that now. So our police can't do nothing about that anymore. Because it's not their business. It's ours, not theirs. So there are some rules are good in our school, and that's okay. Yeah, That's okay. But there are some rules have to be off of the list because our teachers in EAs think that all students, they think all students should come here for work. Yeah, right. No, we're not. This school at Canyon Valley Special Student. Wait, hold on. At this school at Canyon Valley Special Student. And we're gonna tell you this, and we are gonna, and we are gonna, and we are gonna tell you this. No teachers, no AAs tell all of us we can and cannot. Yeah, right. It doesn't work, okay? It doesn't work in our state. This or that. No. And that, and that is gonna change too. Because, because we can't have our teachers and EAs tell us we can and cannot do. No. That's not right. And this is and this is a warning video to all teachers and EAs. But we're not being mean. But we're not being mean. We're being nice to them. But they have to understand. They have to understand that they can't tell us, they can't tell us what to do and can do. No. It doesn't work that way anymore, okay? It doesn't work anymore. Because when they say that to us again, to all of us students, because if they say that again, they're going to hear it. They're going to hear it from Captain Justin and my sidekicks, or my other sidekick, Captain Dave, or the police, and that's it, because they have no right, okay? They have no right to tell us what to do and can and cannot do. No. No. That is going to change. There's going to be a few rules that's going to change in this school at Special Canyon Valley. At Special Canyon Valley Education Step. And that's right here at Step. Right by the bus garage. And again, this is a warning video. But we're not being mean to them. No. We're not being mean to them. We're not being mean, but we are being nice to them. And that's it. But we had to put that out there. Okay? Because they are grown-ups. And when we are doing when we are doing our chores, and when we are doing our chores here, they can't tell us what to do and can and cannot do and where you're supposed to be. No. They can't say that anymore. That part is going to change too. Alright then. But again, we're not being mean, we're being nice to them. And that's it.